never tell my son, no, oh, look, you're like man of chat. No, complain to me, well, come to your man. You come big mommy, no like this, no complain there.
And yet, another reason as to why I say Rose does not deserve to have children. I'm dead serious. But before I continue, ensure that you like, follow, and share. Rose and people like her does not deserve to have children. Rose and people like her deserve to have their children taken away, and they deserve not to have children in the first place. Because all they do, they raise damaged individuals. Because of their sick and twisted parenting style, they do not know to raise children to become proper individuals, because they themselves are not proper and were not raised properly and became malfunctioning, chaotic creatures of our world. I know my words are sounding harsh, but this is something I'm dead serious on. This whole child thing, I don't joke about it. We have too many detractors in our society. We need more contributing individuals in our society. And to do that, we need better parents. And parents like Rose do not have children. Your sons are children just like your daughters are children. They deserve to be loved. They deserve to be heard. They deserve to be cherished. Those are just my thoughts. What are yours?